Hey guys, what is going on, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this video I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use rebels, or rather rebel basic training. So let's get right into it. First of all, yeah, the game is by the way Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes. I failed to mention that, so I'm doing that now. And yeah, what Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes is, it is a mobile game created by EA, and this is what I can only describe as a turn-based action adventure game. And in this game you take your characters which you unlock, your heroes, either from the light side or the dark side, take them into battles and try and complete those battles, which are fought against NPCs mostly, and you have several rounds, or rather several stages of the fights, which when you complete all of them, you will be able to complete the quest and gain the rewards. Now, Rebel Basic Training is pretty much a training or tutorial section. You can only play it once you open up the game for the first time or create a new account. And yeah, once you've actually completed it, you won't be able to access it again. However, pay attention when you actually do access it. It will teach you both on how to use your characters and their abilities, which is the first stage, and you can also learn how to synergize your heroes with one another, and how in general some gameplay characteristics or gameplay options work. And that is pretty much Rebel Basic Training. You can only use it when you actually start the game and start playing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.